Hi friends, good morning. In today's video of German language, we will talk about family words of German language. So let's begin this video. Family is called Familie, parents, Eltern, father, Vater, mother, Mutter, brother, Bruder, sister is called Schwester, uncle is called Onkel, aunt is called Tante, and Großeltern is called grandparents, Großvater, grandfather, Großmutter, grandmother. I hope friends you have understood these words about family in German language. And remember friends, that is Volkswagen. It's not Volkswagen. There is a car. It is called Volkswagen. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.